Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI.
I have really been enjoying the SipX 40-ounce insulated tumbler. This is in their color cream and it's absolutely beautiful. I've been using this all the time. I bring it with me to work. As I'm running errands, I have it in the car. I really love that it keeps my drink cold for at least 12 hours, but with ice, I've noticed it lasts much longer. Same with hot drinks, it's perfect for those chilly mornings. It has a 40-ounce capacity and it's the perfect size. It keeps me hydrated all day. I really love the sturdy handle, also the lid and straw combo. This is a twist-on lid, so it stays on really tight and it has a nice wide drinking straw. It's very durable and great quality, so I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a great tumbler. It's also dishwasher safe, which is an absolute necessity for me. I do not like washing things by hand. I would highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.